Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial once again, and today in this video we are going to gain one more concept of solving some SSRF vulnerability in the real website. So without wasting time, let's roll into the intro and we will get back to the topic soon. Alright, so I have this burpsuite professional edition open here, and then we have this lab to solve. So what I'll do is I'll just go and select burpsuite for here. And okay, so what you need to do is you can just read all of these everything description, and we have this vulnerable parameter which is the same as the previous lab, and we can access the admin panel via this one, and it has two anti-SSRF defenses. That's the only difference between the previous lab and this lab. So what I will do is I'll just click on access the lab. Okay, and I have this bob straight open here parallelly. So okay, so now that we have our web page loaded, so I'll just go and check every possible parameter here. So I'll just go to this view detail, but I know this vulnerable parameter is this check stock. So what I'll do is I'll just go and turn on the intercept here, and I'll just click on this check stock, right? Okay, so I'll just send this to the repeater. I'll just turn off the intercept. Okay, and then okay, I'll just send this to the second tab. Okay, so I'll just you send this and see what will be its response. Okay, I'll just click on render. Okay, nothing much special, right? I'll just URL decode with Control Shift View. Okay, so it says missing parameter because it only accepts URL encoded parameter, right? I mean to say it might, it accept other type of encoding as well, but in this case it requires at least one type of encodings. So what I will do is I will just try to access the admin panel. So I will just go and clear this one, and as we already know, admin panel is situated at /admin, right? So what I'll do is I'll just go and write 127.0.0.1. Okay, I'll just send this and see. Okay, so external stock checked blocked, right? What I'll do is I'll encode it with the URL, right? So I will URL encode all these characters again. So again I will just URL encode this. I'll just press Ctrl U for that. Okay, so you can see I got something good and useful over here, and you see I can get the admin panel. So I can get the admin panel with this. So I'll just write admin, and this is the location of the admin panel. So what I'll do is I'll just go and write /admin here, /admin admin. So I will just URL encode it for two times, Control U and Control U, right? So what I will do is convert selection, URL encode all characters once again, and URL encode all characters. Okay, so you can see, okay, I am able to go and delete this username Carlos. So for deleting this username Carlos, so I'll just go and select this one, delete username, and I will just copy this and paste it over here, right? So one slash, and okay, so it seems like we have got something useful over here. I will just go in. Okay, so I have this lab solved, and one more thing that I have used and encoded it like that, but you can even solve this lab in another way. So what I will do is you can just even write 127.1 as well, because the it is same as 127.0.0.1, because okay, so this is same as this one, because this 20.0 is filled up automatically, and your browser understand it with automatically, and then you don't need to write 0.0. So when you will send this, and you can even see this response over here, and you will see this admin panel as well. So there is no any specific one method of solving this lab. You can even develop your own methodology. So that's what I mean to say, and I hope you guys uh, got chance to learn something new. And that's all for today. Thank you.